Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add two photos in Instagram story. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and swipe your screen to the right to activate the Instagram camera. This will allow you to create a story. And to add a background to your story, click the create button or the two letter A characters, and this will give you options for your story background. So just click the circle button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you've selected the background that you want, click the stickers icon at the top of your screen and then look for the photo icon, which is this one. And it will lead you to your camera roll. So choose a photo from here that you want to add to your story, and then pinch it to resize it. You can also rotate it and move it around. You can also tap on the photo to change the frame shape like this, and just place it where you want it to be. To add a second photo, just repeat the process. Click the sticker icon at the top of your screen and look for the photo icon, and then select the photo from your camera roll. And again, pinch it to resize it, move it around, and adjust the frame shape as you want. And then, once you're okay editing your story, feel free to share it with your friends. And that's how you can easily add two photos in your Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!